مدرستنا حسام الدين، احنا ولادها بنات وبنين. مدرستنا حسام الدين، احنا ولادها بنات وبنين. كلنا واحد، حلمنا واحد، مع بعضنا كلنا ناجحين.
In the name of Allah, the Merciful and the Compassionate. I am Mr. Ahmed Fathi from Husamuddin School. My dear students, peace be upon you. I missed you all so much. According to the recent circumstances which our country witnesses nowadays, we decided to communicate you online as usual through our school Husamuddin. Okay, let's start our lesson. Now, let's start our lesson. Unit 10. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my home. Lessons 1 and 2. Firstly, what are the learning objectives of the unit? What are the learning objectives of the unit? Guess the meanings of some words. Guess the meanings of some words. Use is or are made up to describe the material of an object in sentences. Answer some questions in student book page 36 after reading the text. Use there was or were in sentences. And at last, write a paragraph on what things are made of. Write a paragraph on what things are made of. Now, what about our warming up? Yes, what's your school uniform made of? What's your school uniform made of? Yes, can anybody answer? Yes, Muhammad? Of course, you are right. My school uniform is made of cloth. What are our definitions? The word cotton. It is a soft white material from a plant that is used to make clothes. Cushion. It's a soft object to sit on or rest your head on. Leather. The material from the skins of animals used to make shoes and bags. Oven. It is the equipment used for cooking or baking food. Plastic. It's a light, strong material used for making many things such as toys, rulers, etc. Wool. Yes, it's a soft material that is made from sheep's or goat's hair. Yes, let's move to our unit, lesson 1, unit 10. First of all, I want to ask you, can you see these materials? We have some materials which we can talk about today. Yes, we have a glass, we have a pen, we have a cushion, we have some clothes, we have a bag. Yes, and before we start, I want you to notice what are these things made of. What each thing of them is made of. Can you look at this question? Which of the objects has the same name as its material? Again the question. Which of the objects has the same name as its material? Yes, which one of them? Yes, Omar? Very good. It's a glass. Because I can say a glass is made of glass. Now, I want you to show this video with me. It's very good for materials and what are materials made of. Now, let's move to it.
When you want to hammer a nail into wood, when you want to hammer a nail into wood, a hammerhead of metal is good. You need something that's hard enough to hammer out the metal stuff. Choose your material.
Now, I hope you enjoyed this song. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is very beautiful and you can hear it again and again. Listen to it more than once. Now, let's move to the reading. Yes, we have here a reading to have together. Deir el Medina. In ancient Egypt, there was a village called Deir el Medina. The people from the village worked in the valley of the kings. Worked in the valley of the kings. There were 68 houses. The walls of the houses were made of bricks. The walls of the houses were made of bricks, and the doors were made of wood. The people painted their houses white with red doors. Yes, their houses white with red doors. The houses had a kitchen and a living room, but there weren't any bedrooms. People usually slept on the roof because it was very hot at night. There was usually an oven for bread in the kitchen, but there weren't any taps. People got their water from the Nile Valley, about 2 kilometers away. So the people got their water from the Nile Valley about 2 kilometers away. Now, can we answer some questions together? The first question is answered for you. How many houses were there in the village? Of course, there were 68. What were the doors made of? Yes, Ahmad? Can you tell me what were the doors made of? Yes, thank you, Ahmad. The doors were made of red color. Yes, the doors were red. Another question, number 3. What color did they paint their houses? What color did they paint their houses? Yes, Muhammad, thank you. Their houses were white. Their houses were white. And here, the fourth question. Why did people sleep on the roof of their houses? Why did people sleep on the roof of their houses? Yes, people slept on the roof because it was very hot at night. It was very hot at night. Now, let's move to our structure today. As I told you and as you watched in our video, it's about what things are made of. Can you see it? Is or are made of. It's verb to be plus made of. Yes. Can you read together? Can we read it? Windows are made of glass and wood. Windows are made of glass and wood. Car tires are made of rubber. A chair is made of wood. A chair is made of wood. Now the question, what is or are object made of? What is the chair made of? If we talk about the plural, we can say, what are the cars made of? What are the cars made of? Now, let's revise again the use of there was or there were, countable and uncountable nouns. Now I want you, we have singular and the plural of some countable nouns. Some countable nouns, an apple, apples, a potato, potatoes, a man, men, ox, oxen, a loaf, loaves, a child, children, lentil, lentils. We have an example. Dates are delicious. Dates are delicious. Now, let's look some uncountable nouns. Yes, we have some words like water, information, molokia, lamb, time, furniture, salt, sleep, and again, advice, gold, bread, koshery, money, sugar, news. Let's read this sentence. Meat is my favorite food. Meat is my favorite food. Again, we should use the uncountable nouns in singular form. We should consider it as it. We can say it is my favorite food. Meat is my favorite food. So water, information, molokia, lamb is. You must remember very well. All the uncountable nouns should be singular. And now, let's move to our evaluation. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. The best shoes are usually made of. The best shoes are usually made of. Who can answer? Yes, Yusuf? Yes, it's number B. Number A, sorry, leather. Leather. The best shoes are usually made of leather. Number 2, sewing machines are often made. Space Japan. Sewing machines are often made. Space Japan. Who can answer? Yes, Mahmoud? Very good. It's in. Are made in Japan. It's a place, so we must add in. My shirt is made space cotton. My shirt is made space cotton. In, on, of, from. Yes, my shirt is made. Excellent, Ahmad. Of. Number 4. The furniture which is made space Italy is the best kind. The furniture which is made. Yes, Doha. Very good. In Italy. Number 4 is in. Number 5. The best kind of coffee comes space Brazil. The best kind of coffee comes space Brazil. Yes, Heba? Very good. From. Number 6. This modern plane was made space 2010. This modern plane was made space 2010. Yes, Mariam? Was made of. Oh, Mariam, please think again. Think again. Look at this. Was made space 2010. Can you think carefully? I want to hear another voice, another answer. Yes, Hamza? Yes, it's in. Very good, Hamza. Can you hear Maria? It is in, not of. Before years, we must put in, not of. Yes, thank you. Where is this mobile space? Where is this mobile? Bell, done, made, written. Yes, Malak? Very good. It's made. Where is this mobile? Made. Number 8. What is the space idea of the article you read? What is the space idea of the article you read? Mean, main, mine, man. Yes, Islam. What is the very good main idea? Number B, main idea. Excellent, Islam. Chairs are made space word. Chairs are made space word. Of, from, by, in. Yes, Sama. Chairs are made of. Very good. Number A. Question number 2. Question number 2. Read and correct the underlined words. Number 1. The windows of the car are made by glass. The windows of the car are made by glass. So by is wrong. Yes, Adham. Very good. Of. Very good, Adham. Are made of glass. Number 2. The drones will help us travel in the future. The drones will help us travel in the future. So, will is wrong. Yes. Can you give me the right answer? Who can give me? Yes, Muhammad. The drones will help us in the future. W-I-L-L. Number 3. The shoes is made of leather. The shoes is made of leather. Yes. Very good. It's R. Thank you, Marwa. The shoes are made of leather. Yes, the shoes are made of leather. Number 4. There aren't any cars in ancient Egypt. There aren't any cars in ancient Egypt. Yes, Riham. There weren't. Thank you, Riham. There weren't. Very good answer. And now we came to the end of our lesson. Now I remind you, to stay. You have to read the structure carefully. You have to revise the use of singular and plural form. You have to revise the countable and uncountable nouns. We dealt with what things are made of, and we revised the countable and uncountable nouns. So, I advise you all, you should do your homework for today. We have 2 questions, read and correct and complete the following dialogue. You have to read carefully before you answer any question. And don't forget, if you find any difficulty revising your lesson, you should contact us at once. You can give all your comments and I'm waiting for you. Now we came to the end of our lesson. Finally, I hope you understood all what we had today. Don't forget to do your homework. If you find any difficult thing or something you can't answer, you can call me at once. You can contact us at our site. Thank you for following and goodbye.